At Impress Computers, we know you want to be a respected construction leader, keeping your projects moving and your team equipped with the tools they need to succeed. But your current IT provider is slow to respond. They don't understand the fast pace of multiple job sites, and they struggle with large file transfers, disconnected sites, and poor data protection. It's frustrating and overwhelming, because you're stuck solving tech issues instead of building. We believe it should work like any other tool, seamless, reliable, and invisible. That's why at Impress Computers we specialize in construction IT with a 10-minute response guarantee. Here's how we do it. Step 1. Schedule a quick discovery call. Step 2. Get a full IT site assessment. Step 3. Launch a custom plan built for your business. We use Ignite to share large files across sites, Azure servers to secure your data, and Starlink plus Cradlepoint to connect even your most remote projects, so you can stop dealing with IT chaos and start focusing on building what matters. Book your free discovery call today. Impress Computers, IT that builds with you.